Today we're gonna make this no-bake hot chocolate cheesecake. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add a little bit more chocolate. It's my favorite. Amazing. To get started on making our no-bake hot chocolate cheesecake, we're gonna start with our graham cracker crust. So I have here 2 cups of graham crackers. Make sure you chop them up completely. I just hit this in a plastic Ziploc bag with a mallet, and a 1/2 cup of melted butter. So we're gonna pour that in. We're gonna mix this completely together. We're gonna mix this together so that we can make our crust. So this is such an easy recipe, but it's great. We're making a homemade crust. We're not baking the recipe, which makes it so much easier. And everyone loves hot chocolate in this house. So I'm excited to try this for my kids and see what they think. So we're just gonna combine that butter and the graham cracker. And now we're gonna make our crust. So we have here 9-inch spring foam pan. If you don't have this at home, I have this in my Amazon store, and I've provided the link below for you to click and purchase this. Makes it so much easier when you're making your cheesecake. So I have this here, and now clean hands. I'm gonna press this down on the bottom to make our crust. So we're gonna press this down evenly all over the pan to make our crust. And now we're gonna take this, and we need to refrigerate this for about 20 minutes so that it can set. And while we're doing that, we're gonna make our filling. So we'll stick this in the fridge. So first, for this recipe, I'm gonna make our whipped cream. So with our whipped cream, we're just gonna use heavy cream here. We have 1 cup of heavy cream. I'm gonna put this in a bowl, hand mixer. So now that our whipped cream is ready, we're gonna put that on the side here. And now we're gonna take another bowl and we're gonna make our filling. So we have 16 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. Make sure you get that like room temp so it's easier to whisk. And we're gonna whisk this so it's nice and soft. So now we're gonna add in our powdered sugar. So we have a cup of powdered sugar. Mix this together. Next, we're gonna add our hot cocoa powder. So we have 1/2 cup of cocoa. Add that in. And we're gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we'll put that in there. And that's it. I'm gonna whisk that together. Okay, now we have all the filling ready. I'm gonna scrape the sides, mix that all together. And now last, for the filling, we're gonna fold in our whipped cream that we just made. And by the time you get this ready, your crust will be set. So then you can mix it and assemble our cheesecake. So now we have our whipped cream. I'm just gonna fold this in. So hot chocolate cheesecake, when are you gonna serve this? This could be a wintry day, having guests over. I think any time of year you can serve cheesecake. So I thought this would be a great one for winter, and can't wait to try it out with my kids. So this is a nice fluffy filling. We're gonna go check our graham cracker crust, make sure it's set, and then we'll assemble our cheesecake. So our graham cracker crust is set, and now we're gonna assemble this by evenly putting our mixture on top. gonna spread this out. Spread this out evenly. And after, even though this is no bake, it does need to set in the refrigerator. So we're gonna put this, spread this all out evenly, and then we're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours because we want it to set. So if you were taking this to somebody's house, obviously I would recommend doing it overnight so that you can have it ready for the next day. And when it comes out, then we're gonna top it with all of our hot chocolate toppings, marshmallows, chocolate syrup, all those fun, delicious things that you want in your hot chocolate. So our cheesecake is ready. We're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. Moment of truth. We've taken it out of the refrigerator. Let's see. So put this right on here. And we're gonna cover it in marshmallows. Of course. What would hot chocolate be without marshmallows? Cover that. And then of course we need some chocolate syrup. Oh my goodness. Amazing. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this one. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.